CCTV Operator Job Description. CCTV operators are mainly responsible for operating and maintaining surveillance equipment, watching both live and recorded video surveillance footage, reporting incident or suspicious behavior, and contacting the authorities when necessary. CCTV operators can be employed at hospitals, airports, schools, housing complexes, gated communities, malls, and many other types of establishments. Regardless of the type of institution they work for, the role of a CCTV operator is relatively uniform across the board. They are charged with maintaining control center equipment, watching multiple monitors at once, making note of any unusual occurrences, and interacting with law enforcement officers. Typically, CCTV operators will report to a higher level member of staff, such as a CCTV Supervisor or CCTV Manager, and will be expected to maintain a high level of fastidiousness, professionalism, care, and integrity at all times.